Good morning. Today we're going to talk about how to use this. This is the 9Barista stovetop espresso maker. So the first thing that we're going to do is first unscrew the portafilter part. Next we're going to unscrew the boiler base and we're going to fill that with water. Now the directions say to fill this with 120 milliliters of water. I've already got that measured out, so I'm going to put it in there. Oops. Just like that. There is also a very small inscription in here which does say fill up to this upper rim there, but it's hard to see. So aim for 120 milliliters and then screw it together. It's important, by the way, to notice that these heat exchanger coils are going to get submerged in water, and that is part of the design. We're going to screw this together and we're going to start putting this on a flame where we do our puck prep next. So we're going to save a little time. First I'm going to put the heat distribution plate on there. And now let's start it up. Now let's go ahead and prepare our puck. First we're going to take this cap off here. I'm going to use this funnel and put 17 grams of beans in. It can handle up to 18 grams. I happen to have a little WDT tool, so I'm going to distribute the grounds nice. And now, let's tamp. Excellent. And that is what our puck looks like right there. Next, we're going to put our cap in there so that the espresso doesn't fall out. This is also acting kind of like a shower screen. And what's nice here is that this is keyed. One tab, this one is smaller than the other tab. Put it in there and turn it to 90-degree angle between the two. And now, we go back to the heat. .46 grams out. And there you go, chin chin. That is a tasty espresso.